Love Domino's pizza, but looking to save some serious dough? This video is your ultimate guide to ordering your favorite Domino's pizza. Without breaking the bank, we're diving into the secrets of scoring the best deals and discounts. First things first, coupons are your best friend before you even think about building your pizza. Head over to the Deals or Coupons section on the Domino's website or app. You'll often find a variety of offers, from buy one get one deals to percentage discounts or fixed dollar amounts off your order. Make sure to check regularly, as these deals rotate frequently. Next up, leverage Domino's Piece of the Pie rewards program. Signing up is free, and for every qualifying pizza purchase, you earn points. Once you rack up enough points, you can redeem them for free pizzas, sides, or even drinks. It's a fantastic way to get something extra for free just for being a loyal customer. Don't underestimate the power of online exclusive promotions. Sometimes Domino's offers special deals that are only available when you order through their website or app. Keep an eye out for these online-only specials. They can be a great way to get a large pizza or a meal deal at a significantly reduced price. Also, consider your local Domino's store. Sometimes individual locations might have unique weekly specials or happy hour deals that aren't advertised site-wide. When ordering, think smart about your pizza size. While a massive pizza might seem like a great value, sometimes 2 medium pizzas with a coupon can be cheaper and offer more variety. By combining coupons, loyalty rewards, online promotions, and smart ordering strategies, you can enjoy mouthwatering Domino's pizza for a fraction of the regular price. Happy and cheap eating.